Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So let's do a quick video update on Ripple XRP to USD pair. Alright, it's about 9:45 a.m. Eastern here in US, April 21st, and the Ripple had it actually hit the target point that I have mentioned in the previous video regarding XRP Ripple around that 90 cents mark, 91 cents mark, and now we are seeing that retracement, right? So let's do a quick technical review on it, talk about some of the support levels on the retracement and some of the next target levels, target points on moving up. Alright, so before I get it started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit those notifications on this bell icon, and so you can get this content right away. So that's the whole reason you want to hit those notifications in this content on those videos. As you probably know, if you have been trading this market or investing in this market for even a couple of weeks, that this market is very dynamic and it changes a lot. So it's very critical that we have to keep up with it in order to make adjustment, in order to make profit, in order to take profit. So we are not just sitting on it. Okay, so let's get it started. As I mentioned, Ripple right now is trading at around 85 cents, 85 cents. It actually hit that 90 and the 91 target that I have mentioned in the previous videos on Ripple yesterday night, and right now we are seeing some retracement. So what I'm seeing right now is we are in this nice up channel in Ripple, but the retracement that we're seeing is quite healthy, because when we have such a massive run like this, we had a lot of volume that came into Ripple in last week or so, and when we have this massive run, we need some room, we need some time to digest. It's just like having a big meal, and you want to make sure before you have that second big meal, you take some time to digest, right? So exactly the same thing. We want to make sure we are giving some time for Ripple to digest, and this is something that I mentioned to my subscriber yesterday, my email subscribers on yesterday, that we might be seeing some pullback because it has been running a lot, and some of the levels that are coming, we are coming at the junction where we will see some kind of retracement, because things were getting a little bit overbought in a short term, and we will have some sort of retracement, and that's exactly what's going on right now. We are seeing some retracement in the morning right now. The market was pretty nice and hot for about a week or 2 weeks, and now we are seeing the retracement, and that is healthy. In my opinion, that's something that we need to have in order to have a sustainable bull run. Okay, so the trend that I'm looking at, so I changed the time frame to 4 hours. The trend that I'm looking at right now is this trend right now. Is coming all the way from the April 11th, and this is when we had the initial breakout of that this consolidation zone. Since then we came all the way to around 68 cents, had little consolidation, then we broke out again on April 18th, and made that 91 cents mark. Now we are finding the retracement. So as long we are staying over this trend line, over the 75 cents level, Ripple still have some room to go up. All right, so a retracement is consolidation is healthy, as it makes the second move even more sustainable. So don't be afraid of that. Okay, so let's talk about some of the the target points for Ripple. So as I mentioned, on the downward side, the supports is around 75-76 cents. On the upward, we will have that 91-92 cents that will act as a resistance going up, and then we will have that 110 108, 110 mark, that will act as a resistance. Okay, and then the second target will be around that 119, 120 cents. Okay, so those are the short-term target for Ripple. If I look at the let me just change the color. If I go back and if I look at the daily chart in Ripple, okay, so if I look at the, so we had a massive falling wedge. If you look at the bigger picture, we had a massive falling wedge here, which we got out of. We tried to make the double bottom. We broke the double bottom, and then we are now nicely looking right now. So for for longer term, I think we can easily break that 119 in Ripple, but we need to have that positive momentum, positive market, and no negative news. Right now there's a momentum for the bulls. I have mentioned that a couple of times in the videos last time, that there's a more momentum on the bull side, and the buyers have a better odd. This is a good time to looking into your portfolio, adjusting your portfolio, because a lot of you probably are sitting, recurring a lot of, maybe if you're sitting on the portfolio for a long time, then you're probably recurring those losses. So this is probably a good time to readjust your portfolio, because things are changing and you want to make sure that you are making those adjustments. All right, and you do want to look at your portfolio and what kind of allocations you have in the coins, or some of the coins that you probably want to get into and think about holding it for longer term. So those are the things that you should be looking at right now, since we have a decent bounce in the last couple of weeks. All right, and if you want me to take a look at your portfolio, I can still do that. I'm still doing it. I'm still offering that portfolio analysis service, so shoot me an email and I will take care of that. Okay. On the upward, this is that 119 level is pretty much the same level that similar to Bitcoin 11,700 level, that if we can get through that level, then we will have a really nice run in Ripple. So again, that's for longer term. I want to give you right now, I'm let's say I'm cautiously optimistic. All right, that's the phase that's the line I want to say, or the phase that I want to use. Cautiously optimistic. Just because we had a nice rally in last couple of days doesn't mean that we are gonna make a new highs. All right, have a realistic expectations, and you will do much better. Okay, this is we are in the right direction. A lot of people were calling that, if you remember, even in Bitcoin, a lot of people were calling that 2,000 Bitcoin, 3,000 Bitcoin. I mean, and that's when I knew that we are coming to that bottom of that channel, that people were just wanted to give up. They just wanted to fold their hands, and that's the excellent time to buy. When there is a blood on the street, you buy properties, right? Or in this case, you buy crypto, right? When a lot of people are ready to give up and try to hey, no more, I want to get out of it. That's always a really good buying opportunity. So you want to have that additional cash or whatever, the liquid money sitting somewhere, so you can get in. I will do a Bitcoin in a little bit, but just wanted to cover Ripple right now. Okay, so that's pretty much it on the Ripple. Let me know if you have any questions. As I said, this is a good time to do your portfolio analysis, reevaluate your portfolio. If you want me to take a look at it, shoot me an email and we'll go from there. Okay, talk to you soon.